Yeah man, welcome again guys. You know my man see for himself in a father out, you know. I don't know when the team go to an early excursion this morning, so we out from out now.
2 o'clock for the
2 for the day, you can see that. Early now man, so we go shoot out, and you don't know as we say on the Sunday where the friend them and flaggers and go cook out. So you just continue follow, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and as we say, we love the support. Teammate them there, no, man. It's a brown man van, but it's dark, you know, you can't really to see, so we just go and turn on to highlight them to make them catch, because we dark ourselves there, you see me? Yeah! But yeah man, we go good up on the seaside and now get the thing up and we're bringing you the boat. As I say, the darkness and now, so let's go see, but as the day go along, we're carrying the right through, so enjoy the vlog. And remember, I appreciate everybody will like, share and comment. All who no like, share and comment, we enjoy phone view, see me, because we know that view too, you know. Yeah! Yeah, so watch out now. Peeps, Rita is spotting about, as I say, time dark, you know. So, I'm not gonna see water look like down. You hear that? Early morning, 2:15 AM. See crew on the team. Moon a shine still, as you can see. But I'm gonna show me and see. So this way I work with tonight. But on the night, morning, water calm and collective, so we go out there, go shell it down. You know, see crew on the team come down, we no ramp with the year. So yeah, I go out there go do it right, because you don't know, you know, we are going to work. We want to have a portion of this and people them forward in, body can't get something. As I say, but this is what I love, we do it for free. You see me? But as I say, we do have, so we just chill out, don't it? Cook out, don't it? Yeah! But today now, early settings that we depend. So as I say, remember, like, share, subscribe to your channel. We da drop out a mouth. But yeah, subscribe to my subscription, I told you. Yeah! Though. So we go back up. I want to go up some more. Alright then. Come on, see crew. Active. See to the ship out now. Ready. GoPro now going so good, but the water dirty still. But we're grateful, you know. I want to see cool man himself. I'm going to make a show go on with. Yeah, give thanks. Yeah, my bro man there. Yeah, they say I'm going to do more murder. Love still there. Yeah, I don't lie. Oh, look at go and scale up. Water now so clear still. Take out the fin there. Yeah guys, welcome back. You know, I'm man see crew himself, you know. So we're back at the location and now we just finished shoot and go on one spot as me say we go do it early because we say we do it different this time because we want to have some fish because last time we come here last week the water is so nice so we have to just change up the code. So right now I wait for night dive because I'm seeing come straight and I say man chung. But yeah, we do it already, I go and wait. So remember, as I say, like, share, comment, subscribe to my channel. And for all who subscribe already, thank you very much. I'm telling you, keep spreading the love, keep showing me the likes, and you know the video already. Yeah. So as I say, you know, man, another excursion, you know, sea crew and team. We are going to take the time, get the thing them line up. You see me clean up here. Beach side, you know, Hulk there, boss there, see me and Brandon there, whole clip. Yeah. Yeah. So this is what we go find this morning. Load up with all the thing in it, squid, roach, lobster, and the fish then clean and the bottom already. Yeah, so we are going to clean up the place. As you see. So we do because we don't like nasty place. So you look now, we're a minute when we're done, the whole place we are cleaned down from top to ground. You see me? Because we don't go bottom with this something. You see me? But watch out now, whole beach today we just clean up, get the place lined up. See me, go and open up the shop. Yeah, because you know, see crew response for that on the team. As I say, that's how we do it, you know, good vibes only we promote everywhere we go. Yeah, never tell a lie. But yeah man, as I said, today is gonna be another great adventure. As I say, we go out there. Soon post up the video make you see. Cause I go out there in the dark, you know, people I tell them say dark. I turn on the car life make you see me on my block look like a night. In a night. But yeah man, work clean up the place more. Put on your GoPro and help you man. Get the whole place down because I want the place to look like a place because so we go everywhere we go. Yeah. Yeah man, as I say, bro man himself, if you don't know, you know man, I see that now. Man, strap up in the water, you don't see that. Hear them? Careful. A chef working though, but I get the wrong idea, see that? Yes man. So as I say, a cleanliness we like. Because when we forward that's how we keep the place clean. If we don't have to wait, we carry garbage bag, then we pack up, and when we're done, we clean up, and you know, we left the beach spotless when we're done. You see me? We shine up the water with Windex and make sure say, you see me? I reflect the sunlight and we make sure everything nice. Cause as I say, good vibes only. Why? People me tired. We there clean up the beach, cause we come a few times. Wife come and say we forward a few times. And the beach is dirty, so today we say we get a change because it's so pretty. Look at that. Look at that. This right now, I put there, I put in the work. You see that? Father Hulk and Father Brown and work. Watch the broom, the artificial bumper. You see that up there, sir? You see me, I rake 10,000 pro that go up, Brown and I is at the end of the beach down quick. The whole place. I will fire them lit. Because I say, you know, like niceness, cleanness, cleanliness is next to godliness, you see, and I'm not joke. You see me, so. You know, see cool deal with this. As I say, The whole place are clean done. Cause today I cook out. Yeah, so I see that video enough to look out. Yeah. So I tell you now, everywhere we are shell down. Shell down and still in the place, man. Tired out here. When I say tired, I mean literally tired out here. Cause I guess we out here the work. You see me? See fire anyway, see fire. It means we clean something today. You see me? Anyway, see fire. It means that this area is bundle. Nobody call the fire truck doing. I clean up the place. So as I say, I go and get the thing them right. And as I say, guys, remember, please like, share, subscribe, comment. Feel free if you tell a friend about Squid. You see me, all who know me already, big up on yourself. All who don't know me yet, well forward to the camp. Because you don't know Squid and the crew in a ramp, you know. Yeah. Yeah, man. So as I say, guys, we keeping the post as the day go on. But for now, I clean up, we renovate the beach. You see me, we take out the dirt them out of the water and take out the salt, dilute a little bit, and the sand right so we pick out all like salt out of it. So I just sand one, we don't know salt sand. Yeah. Yeah, so as I say, you know, grill up on the grill, he glued up on the sun and chill. Father all can go and build. Yeah, man, bro, man, don't wake up and our place clean like a picture. You know about that? Brand new place, we just make fire there, go and burn one place early, burn up it. You see me? So I'm saying, man. Remember, people, like, share, subscribe to the channel, tell on a friend about it, but they know, say, yeah, man, Squid, youth from Mobile, do it. You see me? Yeah, man. So I'm saying, there, I'm saying, project this morning. This vlog we say we go clean up the beach. Because all the way forward, we just do everything and move like a beach now, no feeling like a beach, we get everything we want and the fish them and the whole scenery and everything. So we are this week, different mates. I don't want to say, just by start clean up the beach. Out there I go on easy. My elder sees, you know. I know say elder forward and take over. Daddy start running off the program, watch out. Yeah, man, no, Joe, man. General retail of an IG. I'm show you how far general far from. What's it? Doing this. Go press up. Man, as I expect every time. I hear me general. As I say, you know, man, I tell you every time. You see me on the YouTube. Let's say my name again. Alright, Mr. Smithy Rowe. Respect every time. So, the boss himself to take care of it. As I say, I want to help one as I tell you all the while, you know, man. And once you are the right people, they're going to come along all the while. Well, why if you come along forward? Forward all the while, don't it? But yeah, as I say, Squid, we stand for good vibes and, you know, good energy. So I be them things that happen around me. So as I say, people, today is going to be a epic day. So we just there going is because we feel like we back out there again. Because we go out there early and we're not really satisfied. But right now, my killers them over there so active, man. They feel like entertainment, man. They must say, yo, watch your gears dash up online, man. I say, drain out because they feel like go back. So I say, alright then. Anything, cause you know Squid no back down in the year. And I say no retreat, no surrender, don't it? Alright, so what you know now? Fire go and hey. Fire there burn, you know man, I see that? Fire hot that. But yeah man, today I go and easy still. So remember, stay tuned, you know people. Place pretty up, plate clad. Yo, man, tell you about Squid and the gang in a ramp, you know. Actually, water we shine up with emerald. Yo, I was shining all don't know the emerald from the water, all get wicked. Yeah, so as I say, this is all where we go on with. And I watch the ice pan this because I want part of the sea we're going to win a freeze, so we shoot them. See me? I
freeze a part of sea.
I freeze. Yeah, but left still there for days though, you see me? Yeah, I go and I sort out the fish them. See me, we go steam, we go fry, we go excavation. We got squidel them there. See me? Yeah, so you know there. As me say, water they wet up me. But love the water, so you don't know no problem. See crew there. We are going to get the food sorted out, cause ladies them take time to come in and now from the food and part of work. You know, say man go hunt because man a hunter, don't naturally. Yeah. So as me say right now on the shade of some nice lamp, you don't want to stay still. Yeah, all. We have to go get 2 beach bed up here now. Out of nice. Tell me, I tell you now. But yeah, seeing you as me say, cooking time and now, so we're going to take time line up. Ladies them take time and rope in to get the cooking started. Yeah, so I want to introduce you to the Scaler Pro 10,000. But you know about that? You see this? This scale whole heap of fish. You me tell you see this? Look on it good. 2 scaffer, 2 nail, piece of board. Set it for handset, carve it down piece of knife or piece of machete. Ready? Yeah man, I go do dirt. We out to work for what time, sir? 2 o'clock on it. We out there. I see? And them are benefit we read. See that? See? 1 go. Work, we are work. Get the product. See that? See crew. Ears them they are going to cool out. So you know, soon line up again like a school now out, you know. So, I would say they want the Scaler Pro. Watch out now. Watch out now. No, that don't work. Watch out now, I'm sure you. I'm sure I'm all in there. So, how you do it? You press the button right here, so. Right here, so, and here, so. Watch out now. Stop laughing, man. Sure.
Yeah, man,
you press the button here, so, and then it operate. You see me?
So, that's
alright, hold on. I'm sure you work. I'm sure you work. Hold on. I'm sure you work. Watch me. See, I'm tell you. Watch me, everybody. You press the button, so, and then you hold the fish, so. See, turn on there. Them dead. See, quick and fast. Scaler Pro 10,000. You don't know about that teeth, my style, you know, man. You see me? Watch it. It's done. Less than 3 seconds. Hold on, 3 seconds. About less than 2 seconds. Quick and fast. Fish ready. Ready. Say ready. Yeah. Alright. You see that now? Thank you very much. Watch out. Yeah, so bringing in an operating room. You don't know, man. All the if you deal with it. As usual. But she don't cook for that because we have a special chef. Yeah. We left on him way. But you don't know the life so the squid them a deal with, so. Right, I see side, you know the thing, nature, feeling, your foot in the water, grounded to nature. Oh yeah, so man, fully active, man. You there? What pretty so? Watch it. Yeah man, so remember guys, like, share, comment, feel free, you know, subscribe. Yeah man, as we say, send up the channel like a rise, we rise everything, you know, as we say, lots of them there said we everybody there go and wait and turn. So see crew just there go and easy because today, you know, do much today. I want to bring a couple of them for some swimming lesson we done to because water pretty today as we say, you know, so everybody will know if it's we go to dash them off and watch them come out. And joke about me. You know, do that say, but help some of them. Some of them. Yeah. What are you see me? What are you? Let me show them. Nice squid belly? Yeah, I squid plastic. Yeah, plastic, you know, and I'm in a calling. So this make a say I see him bone that, then I have a bone that I like on marrow. You see me? I'm bone marrow. Yeah. Yeah. Father, all can deal with the season down, you know. See that? Cut down, it's Kelly and then Carly. They say Kelly and done down. Yeah. Kelly and time on board. Can up on the road, you know. So I'm going over here, so. I take time coming now, I stand lift up. You have festival going over there, you know, man. I don't know until I do this, so I go sweet. That's it. It's on this sweet. I off is sweet. I'm not telling you what that. Yeah, man, over in the kitchen. You hear that sound there? Crackling and going.
Put the pot in fire, please.
Alright, ready, you know? Almost ready, you son? Yeah, man. Lobster, them I get seasoned down. Real proper. Lobster for days. But a lobster we deal with. Yeah. Transfer from one location to the next. See final destination there. How vex? I know for me farm I can forward. Tell you no I go already no man.
Huh?
Seiko and the team.
In that box.
We are turn vision and some goals so we have put down in a reality. You see me, we're in a dream thing. What's that? You see that? You know what that? The boss has set up right there, so. You know what, go and look more now, man. One more thing, man, as I say, everybody have their own look ends. You have some people out there the same way, everybody just branch off and we are going to do it right. So just remember, as I say, remember if you like, share, subscribe to the channel. Feel free to comment any little thing at all you want to say. I appreciate every comment. No comment, no get me aggravated, I get me in my feelings. I don't carry feelings, you tell you? Yeah, I carry fish going. Yeah. But as I say, a beautiful day today and the day just start. I mean, I tell you it's going to be really epic because the food not started, you know. I just have some little thing I go on because one time when I get to see the real production, I think, I'm going to go get the understanding. But stay tuned, yeah? Freshly done, you know. Squid them well cut up and line up for those. Fry them for going as I say them are going aisle right away. Boss I deal with them. Wash down. Boost down and everything go. Touch down. Right there so. See me? And then we have a Grill Pro 5000 I go and steam up. Hey, on the front seat. You see them? Am I look to Whistler? Whistler there, man. Man, Father Ulka deal with the surgery, as they say in a secret lab. So I go and say, that name, and I dissect that in a lifestyle get dissect. You see that? General do it female, you can't bother the long thing. Take time out. Remember, start bomb buckler Ulka. Ulka name, you know that easy now. Easy, man. A black version of all this, so not you see no green. You see every little green sign at that amount, and you just want anything green around him and his trend. Come on, what's it? Boom, boom, you hear that? Forward, but right now, Virgin just forward to, you know, that they saying go bust 2 freestyle for rip on the 2040 kayak. You see me? That they will bust some freestyle, but him saying that's a warm up first, because there's too much fans for cheer female. And that's a weird, you see it? So I get the grill light up, you know, so you know I go already. As I say, I have to keep on the posted, everything will go on.
Are you talking my language?
Get the squid them curry down today, you know, man. Yeah. Differently. Got all of the gears and we have water. We have extra big butter. And as I say, lobster and they are going cool out. Last set of fish them left to scale. Them are some left to cap because them are taste mouth. You see me? Yeah. But yo, tell me if I lie. If I see me, you see when I'm pretty man. Yo, what them are you? Buckler. What's nature? I don't know, no, man. That's some curry. Squid today, no, man. You see that? Them curry down. What's the squid them? See that now? They are same way, man, as I say. More people are forwarding 1 and 2 same way. Uncle forward on the beach. I have honest set of viewers and subscribers over there the same way. and the kids them forward. So people take time of forwarding. So I say,
No more cheers?
they don't know sea crew there. I go on the ride.
No more cheers, brother?
Uncle there, I first him touch water and how much?
13 years now.
13 years, you know, see me. You hear that? The man never tell a lie. So when I saw I go on, a good vibe. I saw sea crew stay. A man I never seen for 13 years. Sea crew call that. And see boys and love it. Dog say, man, put some cooking for it. And I say, dog, no disrespect. You know we're talking in the street lingo in Jamaica. So when I say dog, we not say I'm a 4-foot dog or something. You know, dog behavior. But so we call bridging them, some of them. But I lingo. But yeah. So as I say, like, share, remember, subscribe to the channel. See crew there, go and get the good content them phone the car. We know what to do already, you know. Just wait till me get my money right. Just wait till me get the gadgets them. You know, see someone sitting on they never see it, man. I see two things different, you know. I don't know, I don't. Yeah.
End up feeling this.
Father, well, package them down, you know. Yeah, man, yeah, man, what's that deal with it? Whole world I see, you know, Father.
Really?
You know, say you're bad, so you know, me general, if you thought those special one and shot. You don't know nothing about that. Watch it. The dad there, watch it, see that? The texture and the design, watch it. Art. That we are telling about. You see me? Watch it. See what I'm going on, baby? Sure. Only certain people know about this, you hear me tell you?
Yeah, brother.
Yeah, we there normal, as I say. More people are pull up see me because I say the vibe man I take better already. Hey bro, man, I'm not jealous, you know. Trust me, I'm not jealous, but I'm bad man, you know. The fuck. You just wait till you drop asleep. You just wait till you drop asleep. In fuck, yeah, man, I tell him, bro, wait till you drop a bumbo class sleep. You just feel his sun. Yeah, as I say, you know, man, a good vibes, you know, people. Remember, like, share, and subscribe to the channel because, as I say, we keep the thing them active. You see me? Yeah, peeps, as I say, back again, you know, man. Place I get a little more crowded, more people there. Put on it big fat, you know, because watch out. Hey, Squidel, David. You see that? Squidel. Yeah, me tell you, if you don't know one name Squidel, a Squid we attack, yeah? You must watch SpongeBob and Squidward, you have to get it. Well, baby, don't watch out. So I go on and say now, we have Lucy gone for fire and now go on this. And fry lobster go on and that, you know, just stay tuned. As me say, remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel. As me say, a different kind of energy with the sea crew, you see me? As me say, today just a local vibes, because the driver them work hard, so we just ends out for the Sunday, invite family and friends. And we just deal with it. Yeah, right, wait, I watch out for energy turn up, watch out the birds them forward. Everybody there, you know, place I get full up. So I just remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, because them content, them different. You see me? No joke. So I go on now. Close up. Hey, I'm going to just go. Hey, you're lucky to have a party in the yard. Yeah, man, fish are fried down. Big old fat. Snackle in the middle, you see him? Yeah, man, we have to put on a festive over here, so it's going to be a festive Sunday. You get me? See you on the team. I know we do, you know, we live in a reality and a dream, don't we? Oh, child, see that? That's the door. And we're not talking the other door. You see me? Yeah. Father, all because you see it's not good on. That's colors. I don't know about it. I talk about Jamaica full of colors. What color you? See that? See that now? A science class, man, I go learn cooking and I can't test, you know. You see me, I craft them and I craft, watch it. I look on the knife, I use it dull, you know, look how I cut it like a sharp hole. Yeah. See that now? So you know when time someone a professional, you know. You see the rolling at the roller, she roll it before she roll it in at the pot. Watch it. She spin it on her finger like that and then she drop it in that. Watch it. Look, you see another joke. What? Look. Watch it. Jesus Christ. Watch it. You see? I use the techniques that in a rampant seafood kitchen. You hear that? Fish them and sizzle down, you know.
Simon, man, I tell you what.
Alright. And I'm laughing, you know, man.
Hello, Martin, tell you there.
See, crew on the team, bro. You know? What's it?
You can know?
What's it?
You can know?
What's it?
Fish are fried. Festival are fried. Make them know say we not tell no lie. I better rank to tell them the thing. Make them know say I no spoon we a fling. Make them know say just sang me a sing. Pay no say better rank up on the bulldog with it.
Alright, I give them number. They don't pay for it. I think a free show. See the golden this tonight. Golden. That means say we ready for the side, I know.
But you have to do it tonight.
When them golden, that means they will ground them.
See that now? Father Olka DVD love tell them, you know, man. You see me? Mother Olka DVD bumper. You see that? See that? Love tell them well fried them. Right, you see me? See that? There. So you say the man ain't good for your channel, don't you? No bad now, no immigrant, no our. Body a visa. Our. Give them a work. And if you give them a work, take another one. That one that you can't make the system. And if you father will name a chef will name today. But that one next time I see your name killer. If it's a fish alone in show, okay. Silicon. That. Well nice. See me. Rest of them that left in eye. Little glue. See me. Top chef in our kitchen. DVD and you don't know, so we always have to keep the vibes up, you know, cause can't chat pan jai short. Come on, subscribe to them, yeah, 21. Yeah man, so bro man, I want 21 this day, you see me? As you say, you know man, invite everybody who want forward, who free, who available. You're free if you forward, cause me say, cook out, call it there. Call it finally reach. Call it after a long time, cuss out me bumbo class. Yeah. That's a go on. Jesus Christ. Watch channel subscribe and I pay it easy now, my daddy. But there, you know, man, as me telling you, know, man, no lie. People, them are forwarding one by one. See them, as me telling you, love the energy because of good vibes. Cause think about it. You see, you couldn't have good energy, so much people ain't go forward. Cause look at the place I'm going right now. So as me say, me thank everybody the forward, as me say, you know, grateful every time. Never ungrateful yet, because watch out. Unity is strength. You see me, that's why we say, together we rise, divided we fall. Yeah man. Boss are pulling with it. More things for your system, you see that? 21 then there this week, you know man. Fully, you know. Day one Russian father. Man, go on YouTube. Them dead. Man, tell her a good vibe, man. Stand, you see me? Day one, them real one, them there, see me. Food are up until everybody line up, get them plates. So I'm not late, you know. Now we do it already, you know. Yeah. Alright, you know, I'll go bust off to it now, you know. Pull up now. See that now? Jesus God. Hey, we love a subscriber, they mess with my watch out. Subscriber, they just pull up on everybody and get active, watch it. One family, I'm telling you now. Cool, man. One crew, sea crew. You see me? Yeah, man. Yeah, man. Hold them, Carly.
You know, sometimes I change my phone screen yesterday, bro.
See that now? Well, we're done in them. And you know about that. Put it on the fire and get the steam down back. Watch it, don't even technique if you never kitchen on the kitchen and do it in the pot, go pot. See that now? Alright, so what left now? What left? Yeah man, 21 then there. Now the job for your GoPro now. Fully active, you see me? 21! That's Sunday. Fully chip. As me say, they are going easy, you know. Fully active. Body they are going easy. Food time, ready and now. So everybody are line up to get them plate. Yo! Man them! Getting the plate now. I'm gonna go late now. Who ready? See there?
Come this side.
Food call, you know.
Where grabber then?
Who want grabber? Grabber there.
Yeah, let me grabber there.
Which grabber?
Want to see, let me check.
Cool man, that's what I'm telling me ears work. Yeah. Yeah man. As I tell you, playtime, and I'm getting plate already, you know. Wait me there, wait for my food, you know. Line up, because they say a buffalo line, you know. What? The thing with that, you know. Get the animal clean. Wait for the food. And that's what I say. Father all come there, you know, so I camp here, I camp out, and next week Saturday, you know, so. But do we look at things, we'll show them how we create our own tent, you know, Jamaican style. But I look at upgrading to it, but we're showing us, we don't have to tell you, we're just showing you. But we're there, body there, wait, get some food in. Like I say, remember, like, share, subscribe to the channel, and as I say, feel free to comment. Yeah man, and just spread the love. I see you crew now, man. Right.
Alright, but me pass shit.
No, me alright.
You sure?
Yeah.
See that? No.
Hi.
Jesus.
Hi. Hey Neil, just come back at the plate and come now.
Yeah, just pass a plate and take a plate, you know, and the plate go get take, you know, Madrid. No man. You know about that?
Alright.
The plate look pretty, watch it. Jesus. You see that now? You see that now? Dead. Watch it.
Park in that box.
Alright.
You don't know I said things that man.
See that now?
Yeah.
Sorry. Buffalo and a hot daddy. Come on, everybody I get them play, but I'm going to wait, you know. My last one I get mine, because I will like. Yeah man, I'm going to wait. I remember, as I say, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Because as I say, it's just pure fun. Yeah, everybody loves that. Who don't want to feel happy and feel nice every day, but we do it every 2 weeks. So we have to work with that time. But yeah man, enjoy this so far, because I'm actually soon close off the vlog now, because soon I have to turn on the music for everybody, you know, all a vibe, but you know, the copywriting goes, so we have to make sure say, we do the thing the right way, don't it? Yeah! Alright, so as I say, you know, I'll get some food, I'm get my food, I'm showing them my plate, because my plate go boast, you know. Think a joke thing, watch I go go. A joke thing. Alright. See, go play the line up and then so I go on and say, oh my god. See that now? See that now? You see that now? You see that? You see that? Food nice, daddy. Carly, get a plate, man. Cause if you don't get a plate, you're not sharing your hand, you know, Carly. Bro, man. Ain't seen a plate, what's it? Cheese. Yeah, man, you know, I going out and now, so as me say. Alright, so Carly in our food already, you know, John in a love still.
Everything good. The steamed fish is so good.
See that?
What?
That man, tell everybody now they plate, you know, man. You see that now?
Nah, man, right?
Definitely. But stuff over vegetable. You see that? So go on over here, so now, you know.
Down there,
That's a bone, that's what it is. Man, I'm gonna take it to the sea with you know what I say. Man, I'm gonna so. Man, what a bone that again the people bomb buckler. It's a man you can't chat bomb buckler. Akashi, what go on now? You take it from the rock side. You think I chat it? It's a sea view. Jeez and Pete, you don't know no man. So as I say now, if you want subscribers, remember to like, share, subscribe to your channel, comment, and as I say, keep staying tuned because we go have a lot more excursion. And then I think this week coming, we're supposed to want to do one camp out, you know, so look out for that one because I go bad. You see me, so.
10,000 I have it.
Curry, squid, Napstel.
So today on Sea Crew, catch and cook.
Okay, I will look at my.
Wait, no, me I try if it's gonna feel alone, no one vlog. More vlog the people and food, so the crew at eats.
Oh, stop for me now.
Yo, let me show you how your blood tastes. Corrupt.
See?
Let me show you how you have 4 for jackpot. The rest of them have 33. Go back around and put
everything
the
nice.
same
No, turn around.
team up the same 4.
Anytime anybody just forward. Oh, that's one gravy. Anybody else want gravy?
Yeah, man,
Gravy going once, gravy going twice. I got done in my dead.
Yo, man, that's dangerous. Well, on there.
Yo, that's me holding on my hand. You hear me a call, a roll call, you know.
Once gravy going twice.
Anybody want gravy? Talk no, I want no piece, you know, because I go mush up it.
You want festival? Yeah.
Alright.
You want festival?
Cool review on it.
You want festival?
Where?
Want
Body good.
festival?
Alright, so what's now we start off in me? Yo, no man I'm looking at my party now daddy. You see me? Shake up that in that. Yeah peeps, as me say. In my any vlog I know see more time I say that I'm still cause yo food me see food I give away we can't make it give away when I get no man. You see me? But you don't know I walk safe, you see me? So see you crew check out until then.